makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where we bring you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. I was about to say we bring you every week, but it's been 1,000,001 years. In this time though, I have uploaded the UK video of me moving here, and I've done some IG videos, and so a video that I've been wanting to do next is a UK clothing haul video. Excuse the camera shake or anything that's going on right now. I'm gonna order a tripod because my husband's supposed to be bringing one over, or I was gonna go and fetch my tripod there that I've had for years, and oh, my arm's killing me. Better. I was liking the little cute background, but my arm is killing me. Let's just chill while we chat for a second. So yes, I need to order a tripod, still getting around to my lights, but basically I was supposed to be going back to South Africa now in May to visit, and I haven't booked my flights yet. I don't know what's happening, if I am or aren't going yet because of Corona, so we shall see. I'm sort of just holding out till end of April and then take it from there. Moving swiftly along, I'm not gonna be getting into details about the coronavirus. I think we've all heard enough about that, and I'm not really somebody that should be giving any facts anyway. But I just will say briefly that I am still working a couple of days a week at my school. I'm still an essential key worker, which basically means that children who have parents in the NHS on the front line still need care. So yeah, still working a few days a week. And anyway, I just want to say I'm still working a little bit, and on my off days I really want to bring more content for you guys. And I've just got a Boohoo order coming soon for spring clothes. We can do some spring inspired looks, talk about maybe the skincare routine that I've been doing. So yes, I just want to keep this channel a place that's light and happy and just carry on like we always have. And today's video is gonna be a little haul that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I've just been putting it off. So like I said, I've got some more spring hauls coming, but I thought to start off I'd just talk about everything that I've got since moving to the UK and how I found online shopping, what brands I've been buying, and like the types of things that I've been using. So okay, so I've just put a whole bunch of things out of my bed, and I'm gonna talk about them to you guys, and then I'll show you me wearing the different outfits. So the first thing I wanted to mention were these Koi white platform sneakers with a cat detailing, and I'm obsessed with these. My brother got me these for Christmas, and we all know I'm obsessed with cats. Like the other day somebody actually at Aldi was like, oh, you like cats, don't you? Because my wallet was a cat, and I was buying a cat bed, and my handbag was a cat, and I would think I was wearing cat t-shirts, and I was like, oh my word, could I be any more cringe? Anyway, I've become obsessed with Koi. And speaking of which, okay, excuse that I haven't cleaned anything, are these Koi like block heel boots. They sort of remind me of that chick, what was her name, Wilma or something, I think, from Scooby-Doo, or like a Wednesday Addams vibe. But yeah, I'm loving these. Funny story, I ordered these shoes off their website. Not a scratch, just needs to be cleaned. I ordered these off of their website, and then they sent me 2 left shoes, and I was like, really, what is my luck right now? And then they sent me another pair, and they just refunded me, so I actually got them for free. So yeah, I was really impressed with Koi, and they just hit me up really quick on Instagram and sorted the whole thing out, and I didn't have to pay postage, and they just delivered to me, and I was sorted out really quick. So I'll definitely keep buying from them. I really like these. My like go-to everyday shoes for work, just side note gym, are these Under Armour shoes, and they've got memory foam, and yeah, I just really like them because I'm on my feet many hours a day, and they're really nice for gym workouts or going for a run. So I just thought I'd mention those. And then continuing with my like schoolgirl vibe are these maroon shoes from Primark, and I just love them, and they were super cheap. I think they were on sale for like £5 or something. And last for the little like shoe haul thing of things that I got were good old trusty Vans, and gave myself a nice little cut this morning while shaving my legs because I just can't lie. Just so cringe. So those are all the sort of shoes that I've got, and now we're going into spring, so I'm sure there'll be more sandals vibes, and when I get maybe some like nude heels, so another clothing haul to come. Alright, next is this River Island bag, and I got this off of Asos, and I just love this bling detailing, and I'll show you how I paired that in an outfit. Also, I got this for Christmas, so, but I'm sure they still have these on their website, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you. I had to include this. I know I got some of these items a few away, but I'm just a few months ago, but it's just items that I'm still obsessed with. And then my everyday bag from Primark, I'm obsessed. It's a tiny bag, and I've got, here's my little cat wallet I was telling you about. But yeah, it's just a nice little compact bag, and then I use that River Island bag, the big one, for like going out and stuff. I just wanted something easy and small, and I bought Kaylee one of these, and then she loved it, and then I got Josh to suggest one, and then I was like, no, I really need one, and now my mom has one, so we all just really like them, and they come in like different shades of yellow and brown and like whatever colors are in really. So good old Primark. So thank you dear Prune, my mother's filming because I haven't got my tripod yet. So we all know there's mess in the bed. I've just shown you my clothes. I don't have lights, tripod, blah blah blah. We're just getting into it, and the setup will improve as we go along. So first thing I've got for spring is this little play suit, and I actually got this from Poundland. And yes, I know, it's like you wouldn't think you're gonna get clothes from there, but I was just walking through and I saw it, and it was so cute, and I think it was like £8 or something, and I liked it because I've got bigger legs and I've got a smaller waist, so I'm not really like a short person, but I thought play suits would be nice for summer because they're nice and loose. So, and then I've just paired it with my black Vans and a little black headband from Cotton On, and then silver jewelry, and then I've got this little bag from Primark, which is like my everyday go-to bag, which has also got the silver detailing. So that's my first one. Okay, so my next outfit is also from Poundland. Surprisingly, they have some really nice stuff there, and I was just instantly attracted to this because it reminds me of like a schoolgirl vibe dress, which I really love, and it's just above the knee, so it's a nice flattering cut, and it hinges here at the waist. And I've paired that with my, oh, falling over a second, paired this with my River Island bag that I got from Asos, and I've matched it up with some gold like pendant medallion type jewelry from Primark, and then I have got my koi boots, which I said reminds me a little bit of the chickie from Scooby-Doo, that like Wilma, hey mom, schoolgirl vibes type thing. So this is my next outfit, and yes, I'm so pale. I said to Josh, when I move to the UK, I'm going to be tan, and because everyone fake tans here, and he's like, you'll always be cute, but you'll always be pale. So yes, I'm very translucent at the moment. So that's my other outfit, and I'm not very good at posing, but just thought I'd show you, seeing as we're going nowhere in isolation, but when we come out of this we'll all be cute. Okay, so I thought I'd just give you a bit of a close-up of the jewelry, and then I've got these earrings as well. I'll insert some photos as well. Shame, bless my poor mom, trying to film for me as well, and she got really sore feet, but she's still doing it for me. I'm gonna get my setup done soon. Okay, so my next outfit, I actually wanted this a little bit tighter, but obviously now I can't exchange, so I'm just gonna pinch it in at the back so you can get the vibe that I was feeling, like more like cinched in look. And I also got this from Poundland. This video is not sponsored by Poundland, but clearly should be because there's so many things from there. But so I paired that with this t-shirt from New Look with like a little scalloped edge, And then these are my new obsessions. Josh calls them tea cozies, but I think they're very cute. Are these like little frilly socks that I got from Primark with black, what do we call these?
You said block.
Yeah, these black block heels from Cotton On. And then yeah, so it would be more cinched in, and then I would pair this with just, I think, like a black leather jacket, and this one was from New Look because it's spring but it still does get like chilly. It's not really like summer, so just a little black leather jacket. Okay, so quick insert from your old pale ale over here. I forgot to insert this dress, so I just thought I'd quickly talk about it. This dress is from Pretty Little Thing and I love it. I wore it for my dad's Amazon like end of year function, and that was super cool. They had a plane, and I'll insert photos so you can see. But yeah, it's just like your classic little black dress, which I really love, with a nice satin finish. And I'll put links to all of these things in the description below. Okay, so I just thought I'd quickly show you what I paired with my Koi platform sneakers with the cat detailing. So I've got my little New Look top, and then, sorry Katie, just some jeans, and then here are the sneakers. So, and lastly, I just wanted to say, I was looking back over some of this footage and I was like, oh my word, I'm so pale, like my body's not feeling like as toned as it usually does. You know, isolation body feels, even though I've been doing some home workouts and I've been trying to be mindful of what I'm eating, like lots of fruits and vegetables. I'm vegetarian, so I eat a lot of that anyway. But I was looking back over the footage and I'm like, oh, I don't know how I feel about posting this, because I feel a bit like insecure like at the moment about how I'm looking and feeling during this time. But I thought, nope, I'm gonna post it anyway, because I'm pretty sure that's how everybody's feeling right now. There's like maybe a few of us that are thinking they've actually done everything that they wanted to during this isolation, like work out like crazy and feel like super toned. But I think for the most part, a lot of us are just like loving the old Netflix and chocolate bar, if I'm honest. So yeah, and it's important to just love ourselves as we are, and our bodies have done a lot for us, and it's okay to go in waves, and the fitness journey will resume and lives will go back to normal, and just important to be kind to ourselves during this moment. So I'm going to not have a panic attack and post those anyway, despite the fact that I'm feeling like not looking my best self, because that's okay. I'm still worthy, and so are you. Just a little self-love pep talk for you there at the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this video with me chilling, lying on the bed, just casual, because where am I really going? Let's be honest. If you like this jumbled mismatch video of just showing you the types of things that I've been buying and liking here since moving to the UK, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I will be posting a Boohoo summer spring look to follow soon, and like some things that I've been ordering online. But I know this is a little bit outdated, like some of it was stuff that I got in December or for winter, but I just thought I'd show you guys what I've been getting and loving. I am obsessed with online shopping. I'm trying out, I got some things from Nasty Girl, like some underwear and things like that, but I didn't really have a lot from them to show. I'm trying out Boohoo. I want to try Asos first. I want to try Zaful. I've tried Pretty Little Thing. Can't go to my favorite Primark obviously during this time. Let me know your favorite online places to shop and I will definitely try them out. Anyway, I just thought I'd post this video during this lockdown and isolation, just like a little fun distraction of things that I've been liking. Nothing too serious, very light-hearted. And let's just all remember to go easy on ourselves during this time. And it's okay if we are chilling 8 hours a day, or if we're like cleaning the house like crazy. Whatever is keeping you going during this time, let's just all be a little bit kind to ourselves. See you on the next video. That was the worst kiss ever. Goodbye.